Hi there everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Tango. This is practice routine number 8 and it was taught on the 6th of February 23. So if you're in the main video library and you're looking for the full class, and instead of doing one long routine, we actually looked at 3 short exercises. So I've still kept it in order and called it practice routine number 8, but it is actually 3 very short exercises. So let's look at exercise number 1, or 8A as it could be called. Okay, we did ladies timing, 2 walks back and a link, a brush tap, promenade close, head. So the purpose of today's class was to work on brush taps and a little bit more head movement. Let's put the timing into this one. So we had slow, slow, quick, quick and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Exercise 1. Now let's look at exercise number 2, or 8B. Starting again with the 2 walks back. Walk, walk, link, brush tap, move onto the foot, rock, 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 push the foot and close. Okay, now let's look at the timing. Slow, slow, quick, quick and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Okay, that was 8B, or exercise 2. The last one, exercise 3, we were working on swivels. So we're going to start with our left foot, swivel, swivel, and a promenade close ending. Let's look at the timing. I'm going on my left foot, slow. And then for my right foot swivel, I'm going to do quick, 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 quick. And then coming through to close the promenade, slow, quick, quick. Okay, that is different to the closed promenade ending that we normally do with our partner. Normally we're here in promenade, we're on the right foot and we go slow, quick, quick, slow. On this example I already had my left foot forwards from the swivel, not my right foot. Okay, so I went slow, quick, quick. Okay? And as I said, because they were just little exercises in isolation, they weren't joined onto other phrases. So don't worry about actually moving to try and join them up. They were just individual exercises. So let's do each one of them again. Exercise 1, or 8A. Walk, walk, link, brush tap, promenade close, head, head. Exercise 2, or 8B, walk, walk, link, brush tap, rock, 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 and close. And the last one, exercise 3, or 8C, swivel, swivel, and close. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see that in the video library, it is routine number 8. It was 3 small exercises at the end of the 6th of February 23. I will see you again very shortly. Bye.